Hello everyone, we're going to practice our phonics today. First, let's check which sounds I've got on my board. Are you ready? A, S, T, P, D, I, G and O. Today, we're going to use these sounds to make some animal names. What animals can you see today? I've got a pig, a cat, a dog, a rat, a duck, a ram, a bug and a yak. I'm going to use some of my sounds to make the name of one of these animals. Let's see if you can guess which one I'm going to do. First, we're going to just listen to the sounds. Bug, bug. Did you hear which one it was? Bug. Bug. Can you see the bug? There it is. Let's have another try. Just listening this time. Duck. Duck. Did you get it? Duck. Duck. This time, let's see if we can read the sounds and use those to help us work out which animal Becky's choosing next. Are you ready? G, P, pig! Did you guess it? Well done if you did. Let's do another one. Ready? D, O, G, D, O, G. Dog! Can you spot him? Here he is, dog. This time, I'm going to take my sounds off and I'm going to have a go at writing some of the sounds. Let's see. Which one shall I do next? Round the apple, down the leaf, down the tower, across the tower, at. Rat! Can you spot the rat in the picture? Let's do one more. What about this one? Yak. Yak. That's a tricky one. Here's the yak down in the corner. It looks a bit like a big hairy cow, doesn't it? Why don't you have a go at using your sounds? See if you can write down the names of some of these animals. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.